Hi everyone, this is Riemann. Today I'd like to tell you that Redbubble has recently announced a new update that will enhance the platform's security measures. As part of this update, Redbubble has introduced a phone verification process for all new accounts, aimed at reducing the risk of fraudulent activity on the site. However, it seems that some users have been experiencing difficulties with the phone verification process, with reports indicating that the feature is not working as intended. This has left many users frustrated and unsure of how to proceed with their accounts. So, if you are one of the many Redbubble new artists who have encountered the issues with the phone verification process, you are not alone. In this video, we'll explore all the common challenges faced by users during the phone verification process and to provide some helpful tips on how to solve them. As you know, when you want to open a new shop on Redbubble, just heads up, you will need to fill out all the details in the settings section. This includes your designer bio, social links, payment methods, and much more to be a verified artist on Redbubble and to make your designs show up in the marketplace and to withdraw your earnings in Goggle. And regarding the phone verification step in the payment settings, all you need to do is select your country code and enter your phone number. However, some artists have reported not receiving the verification code, which can be a bummer. So, how to handle this Redbubble phone verification issue? Number 1. Make sure that you insert your correct phone number. As a first step in handling the Redbubble phone verification issue, it's imperative to ensure that the correct phone number is inserted. This is important because it guarantees a seamless verification process and avoids any unnecessary delays or complications. Number 2. Log out and re-log in to your Redbubble account. Try logging out and then logging back in. It's like hitting the restart button on your account, which can fix any technical glitches or network problems, causing the verification to fail. Number 3. Restart your phone. Rebooting your phone can prove to be a significant step towards resolving a wide range of technical glitches that may obstruct your verification process. Number 4. Use the latest version of your Chrome browser. One important measure to address the Redbubble phone verification issue is to make sure that you are using the most recent version of Google Chrome browser. This is crucial because previous versions may not be suitable for the verification process, which can cause failed attempts to verify your phone number. So how to find the new update of your Chrome browser? Simply head to the three dots up there, scroll down to Help, and find About Chrome browser. So if you find any new update, just activate it. Number 5. Change the current browser. One of the steps to handle this issue could be use another browser rather than Google Chrome, like Firefox and so on. Number 6. Try using the Redbubble phone application. Implementing a phone verification feature on the Redbubble mobile application can enhance the user experience by simplifying the verification process. So you can give it a shot and try using the Redbubble phone application. Number 7. Reach the Redbubble support team. It's advisable to reach out to the Redbubble support team for help. The support team is well equipped to handle such issues and will provide prompts and effective solutions to the artist. So you can reach the Redbubble support team in the homepage of redbubble.com or on social media like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. Number 8. Use a reliable phone number. In response to the Redbubble phone verification issue faced by many artists in specific countries, a viable solution involves using a European phone number. And of course, the last strategy you have to follow to solve this problem. It's crucial to ensure that the chosen phone number conforms to Redbubble's guidelines and regulations, and you would find many applications to get your unique phone number like Partner app, Cover Me, and etc. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.